Hello everyone, welcome to BilisummaaShow with Woyesa. The leader of G7 movement for justice, Andargachew Tsege, has been detained in Yemen by Yemeni security forces since June 23rd. Nobody really knew that he was detained until June 30. After June 30, breaking news are coming out, and many articles have been written about the detain of Andargachew Tsege over there in Yemen. Andargachew was going to Ethiopia. He was transferring his flight over there at the Yemen airport. If you're concerned about Andargachew Tsege, if you want to help him, if you want to participate in releasing Andargachew Tsege, go to at the bottom of this video. Step by step, more information is available. You are watching BilisummaaShow. My name is Woyesa. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.